Hey guys, Kevin here. Okay, so we got the components laid out beside the boiler at this point. So this thing, the burner, we're gonna insert the burner with the mixing tube first. Now when you insert it, I've kind of went ahead and installed it already on the unit. Now you notice that this thing is straight up and down vertical, and that's where it has to be. Now when you're installing the igniters and flame sensors, if you do have to replace them, the flame sensor is on the bottom, and your igniter is on your left, which is closest to the viewport. Okay, just bear that in mind. Now when you install the gas train, which is this guy, you'll need probably 2 guys on this thing. So we're going to drop this thing down from the top down, and there are 4 nuts holding it on. Kind of get a close up on the one side right here. And at that point you're just going to tie in the nuts, which we will supply you in a box labeled nuts and screws. And at that point you just have to tie in all your hose line connections. Now as far as your gas valve connection, I mentioned that there's a 24 volt live and return. Good shot of those wires right there. Now we back that off and we take a look at your control panel. You're looking for the gas valve relay, which is this guy right here, labeled GV. And you're going to extend those wires, which there should have wires already out there, which are these 2 brown wires. Those 2 brown wires then head back. One of the brown wires heads back into the gas valve. The other side goes to your return, which is right here. These 2 wires right here. So yellow is for return, and brown is for your live, which matches up with the gas valve. Okay. And once you get all that done, you gotta put in your gas train, which I've kind of gone ahead and did that as well. So you got a flex line connector, flare fitting on the gas train. That will just tie in together. Your air intake, we'll be supplying you with an aluminum air hose. Again, just a worm gear to connect that together on the back side of the boiler and to the front of that gas train, which is not installed yet. Okay, so let me know if you have any questions and we'll walk through it. Okay, thanks guys.